So this was the day na pinayos ko yung door ko kasi nga 'di ba hindi siya mabuksan and buti na lang I saw that hack here on TikTok yung ginamit yung card para mabuksan and I'm so happy na ngayon is pwede na siya. Well guys, is pwede naman siyang mabuksan pero sobrang tigas na there's time talaga na need ko pa ng tulong. Tatawag pa ako ng tao sa labas and eto na siya ngayon. Okay na siya and pag nasa labas ako hindi siya malalak. That's the main problem and gratefully ngayon is okay na siya. And after that is nagdala na ako ng mga kagamitan ko para uuwi ako kasi bibilhan ko ng something yung pamilya ko. I'll buy them like ulam, something. Yung chicken, yung chooks to go. Don't worry, I'll make a separate video for that. And I'm glad that they enjoyed the food that I bought for them. Anyways, guys, I'm so happy for you na nag-spend time kayo dito. Thank you so much for watching this video then. Thank you so much, guys.